Hello to all of the people out there in YouTube land. I'm still alive. Although after today I'm a little surprised. But, such is life. Surprise and a mystery. All rolled up into one. So it rained all day. And now, here in the Kansas City area, we're having a fucking blizzard with whiteout conditions. The fuck? Oh my god. Living in the Midwest is a fucking trip. If you don't like the weather, just wait. It'll change. Especially when you're in the second mud season. Yeah, the transition from winter to spring is a bit of a journey when you live in the Midwest. Because first, you have Fool's Spring. Yeah, it hits 60, and it's like that for about a week. And then 30s and snowstorm time. Yeah, we're in second mud season now. There's usually 2 or 3 before actual spring hits. Ow, Jane! Damn it. She just jumped up on the bed and trampled my foot in the process. Yay. Because life is painful. Very painful. So yeah, I'm laying down, attempting to wind down to go to bed, go to sleep, because I have to be up in 6 hours to take Luke to school if there is school in the morning. Because with my luck, there won't be. Yay. Although they're predicting we're only going to get 3 inches. But 3 inches of blizzard whiteout. Yay! Oh, God. Can I opt out of my trial subscription to adulthood? Maybe? Because I'm not feeling it. Hello, Molly. Because what's a YouTube video without a sight of cat? Hey, y'all, if you could do me a favor, do the subscribe thing. That helps me out in the algorithm. It's totally free. Takes 2 seconds. And yeah, if you could do that, that would be awesome. I would love it. Pushes my message out into the universe a little bit more. Thank you, Jane. I just love it when you shake the whole bed. But yeah, pain level, bad. Stupid bad. I laid down and went ow, and Jane was like, oh, she said ow. She needs kisses. No, I don't need kisses. I just need the weather to stop being stupid. But we're heading into springtime, and that's probably not going to happen for me, so. Accepting thoughts, prayers, well wishes, happy vibes, healing vibes. Whatever vibes you want to share, that's totally cool. Not good. Can we have weather above 50 and no blizzards? Yeah. I moved to Kansas City because I was hoping for no blizzards. Apparently my fantasy life is a little bit more rich than my real life. Oh, ow. I was hoping for a less painful position, but apparently that's also not happening tonight. Hey, Molly. What do you have to say about the world? You have any thoughts? You want to share your cuteness with the world? Okay. She just shunned you the way that she shuns me all the time. Yay. Jane, where'd you go? Jane! Okay. Apparently my service dog has decided that I do not require her services at this moment. It's a sad moment when your own service dog decides that you're fucked and they can do nothing about it. Yeah. Oh, well. Such is life. And this is mine. I'd like to borrow somebody else's for a while. Even just for 5 minutes. That would be great. Thanks. Okay, I'm done babbling and rambling, so I will talk to y'all later, and hopefully the weather bullshit stops being bullshit. That's my deepest fantasy right now. But even though I'm wallowing in the land of suck, I do love y'all. And I do think y'all are awesome and perfect just exactly the way that you are, and I love you just the way that you are. Whatever you're doing out there, try to do something that moves you closer to love. Do something nice for somebody today. Doesn't have to be huge. Hold the doors for someone. Let someone merge in front of you in traffic. That's a biggie. You don't realize how much you're helping somebody else out when you do that. You don't have to do it for everyone, just one person once in a while. 2 seconds for an act of kindness. It's not a huge thing. At least not to you, but it's probably a huge thing to that other person. So yeah, go show somebody else some love, even if it's just in a itty bitty tiny little way. And go be awesome. Because if I can do it, anybody can do it. I'm nothing special. And people tell me all the time, oh, how did you survive this or how did you survive that? I didn't realize there was another choice. I survived because I had to. Yeah, my dad died. And how that works is the person dies and you keep going. That's the way it's supposed to happen. So I didn't realize that there was another choice. I didn't realize there was another choice to survive losing my first service dog. It's like, That's just how life is. It's like you get to opt out of life just because things get shitty. No, that's not really how that works. You just do your best to get through it and move on to the next thing. Try to find the next good thing that you can do for yourself and for somebody else. Life's not always going to be a basket of roses. It's not always going to be a barrel of fun. That's just how it is. If you see somebody that is seeming like they're just going through life without having any problems at all, they're lying. Somehow, some way, they're lying, because everybody goes through crap. Everybody spends time in the dark. That's just how it is for everyone. It's how long you stay down when you fall, how quickly you pick yourself back up, and how quickly you get moving forward again once you're down. My theory on life: one tough chick. Ain't nothing that can stop me, including me. I will fall down, but I will also get back up. It won't always be easy. It won't always be pretty. And I may get up with some damage. But that's the way it is. The other guy, whoever it was that shoved you down, they only win if you stay down. They win if you stay down. If you get back up, you win. I will never give up. I will never surrender. Because that's how you win. And I believe each and every one of you can win. I believe in you and your power to pick yourself back up. I believe in your power to ask for help if you need a hand up. Doesn't matter how you get back up. It just matters that you get back up. It's like, okay, you got to call the paramedics. You got to call 911. Have somebody lift you back up. Okay, that's fine. You're back up. You can move forward again. That's all that matters. That you pick yourself back up and you keep going on. Bad shit, horrible shit, nasty shit can happen. But how do you handle it? Do you let the situation win? Or do you pick yourself back up and keep going? How you win is you keep moving forward. You get up and you keep moving forward. You might be moving forward at a crawl, but you're moving forward. You might be moving forward so slowly that you can't tell you're moving forward. But as long as you're trying, you're moving. And if you're trying, I'm proud of you. Even if all you did today was wake up. Even if you didn't do anything that felt meaningful today. If you woke up, that's powerful. If you got up and you did some self-care stuff, went to the bathroom, brushed your teeth, maybe took a shower, maybe changed your clothes, hopefully ate something, hopefully drank something. If you did any of that, that's powerful. That's important. That is big juju. Hello, Jane. Yes, hello. Yes, hello. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate your love. I do. Molly does not appreciate your presence in her vicinity, but I appreciate your love. Yes. Yes. Oh, thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Oh, it's a Jane dog. Always helpful. She's always helpful. Oh, we get the snoot. We get the snooty snoot. We get that little snoot. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow. Where are you going? Jane. Jane. Where are you going? What are you doing? Oh, hi.